it states a cyclist comes to a skidding stop in 10 मीटर, 10 मीटर के अंदर वो एकदम से स्टॉप हो गया. During this process, the force on the cycle due to the road is 200 Newton and is directly opposed in motion. How much work is done? How much work does the road do on the cycle? And how much work does the cycle do on the road? Right? So, displacement is 10 meter, force is 200 Newton. Okay. So, this is cycle. This displaces by 10 meter and comes to a halt. The force of friction in the reverse direction by the road on the bicycle is 200 Newtons. Okay, so direction of force is this and direction of displacement is this. So the direction, the angle between the two vectors is theta is equal to 180 degrees. Now the force is acting in this direction on the bicycle and cycle is displaced by 10 meter. So burden by road on the bicycle, burden by road on the bicycle is force into displacement into cos theta. Okay, so force acting on the bicycle is 200 Newton into displacement is 10 and cos 180 degree. That is the angle. So how much is this? 2000 and cos 180 is minus 1. So this is minus 2 kilojoule of work is done in stopping the bicycle. So that is the force, burden by the force by the ground on the bicycle, right? Now, how much work is done by the bicycle on the road? As the third law of motion states that action and reaction are equal and opposite. If road is applying a force on the bicycle to stop it, then bicycle is also applying a force on the road while getting stopped. So that force is again 200 Newton. The force by the bicycle on the road is 200 Newton. But the displacement of road is 0. डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ रोड इज 0. रोड तो डिस्प्लेस नहीं हुई, बेशक फोर्स लगाओ, साइकिल ने रोड को भी पुश किया मगर रोड डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं हुई. क्योंकि रोड डिस्प्लेस नहीं हुई इसलिए यहाँ पे एफ कॉस थीटा के अंदर एफ तो था 200 न्यूटन बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट था 0. ठीक है, एंड कॉस थीटा दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में होने चाहिए थे, तो ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट हुआ ही नहीं. So this is cos 0. So this work done come out to be 0. No work is done by the bicycle on the road as road is not displaced. ये सेम सिचुएशन है, हम दीवार को धक्का दे रहे हैं, जोर तो लग रहा है मगर दीवार डिस्प्लेस नहीं हो रही है. So in this case also no work is done.